to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you how to create a couple t-shirt using Canva. First, go to your browser and type canva.com. Then log into your account. Since I have my account ready, so I just have to continue. After the one, design spotlight, click on design spotlight, then custom prints, then shirts. We have two options here, browse templates and create your own. I suggest to create our own designs so that we can have we don't have any uh, liabilities of plagiarism. So create your own design. Then here we go. And now we are in our working sheets. But before anything else, we need a t-shirt so we can put our design on it. So in new tab, please type plain color t-shirt, then click on the image, then choose your color. So have this one, choose your colors. I have to choose white. Then after that, right click, save image as, then save. I can have to save it to my downloads. After that, save. Since I have already t-shirts on my file, so I have to cancel this one. After that, then a new tab, type remove that bg, enter. Upload image, click on upload image so that to remove the background of your t-shirt, then click the t-shirt and open it. Wait for a while it's removing the background, then click the image and it's already downloaded. And after that, go back to Canva, click on upload media, then t-shirt, then open. Since it for a moment while it's at the load. After it's been uploaded, click on it so that it go through to your working sheet, then right click, set image as background, and here you go, it's ready for your design. Just think of the thing you want to design. So I have to design a heart or something like that, so I have to click on elements, type heart or heart. I have recently used heart, then love, anything else, just type in here anything you want. So we're gonna have to adjust this heart, then this one, then just like that one, just a simple design. So we can change the color of this one, edit image here. Alright, so red to be clear, or just like one. So then adjust. Then after that one, I'm gonna have to write for a text. So it's just a text. Edit this one, erase, delete, or backspace. So I will write my heart belongs to her. sorry, I'm gonna have to make this a capital one. So caps like I love her. And edit for the fonts. Click here for the fonts you want to like. So we're gonna have to choose Anton Ancho. Uh, adjust. Okay. Effects is splice. After that one, just click uh, duplicate page. So we can edit here. And just put there you go. Alright, a simple couple t-shirt design. Alright, this is our simple t-shirt design. And to upload this one, to download, just click share. Then download. Then choose the file type. JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, or whatever. So you're gonna have to click PNG as suggested. Then download. Wait while it's downloading, just for a while, and click here to see in the folder for a moment. Okay. Okay, I have here. Okay. Yeah. Then extract all. Extract. There. Then here you go. Your design. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.